What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing the beautiful, splendid, amazing, incredible Xbox One. So it's the 500 gigabyte model. I guess it's a special color too. Special edition. I got it from Walmart, so I had like some voodoo movies. Damn, coffee maker's loud. So that beautiful steam. Fresh cup of Joe. Oh shit, this thing's not done. Here's the back. So let's open this bad boy up. Got this right here. Xbox One instructions. The batteries, set it up. Nice little green check mark. Ooh. So let's see what this is right here. Power cord. The control. I thought this box is too small to house a control. Let's check it out. Oh, this is a nice color. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is like a cement gray on that Scion TC. Feels pretty good. What else is in here? Brand new HDMI cable. Probably got like 1,000 of them, but who cares? Add another one to the collection. Throw it over there for now. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for. Hey, wait, what's this? Paperwork. It's probably my code. I'm not gonna put my code out there. 14 days free on gold. What else? EA access 1 month. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's cool or what. That's a thing. But it's there. Warranty. The fuck? Battlefield. Alright. Put this back. Oh lordy. So this is the S model. Whoa, looks nice. I like this color. Look at that. Nice. My first unboxing, so I don't know what I'm supposed to show y'all, but that's what's in it. Looks badass. All the connectors in the back. Oh yeah. That thing is sexy.